Toric intraocular lenses. Many of our patients, they ask us about the astigmatism and the need for toric lenses. Toric lenses, they're a special group of lenses that they correct astigmatism problem. In the group of toric lenses, we have different type of lenses. Monofocal toric, extended depth of focus toric, or partial range of vision toric lenses, or full range of vision toric lenses. When we have the corneal astigmatism in a study of surgery, before the surgery, more than 0.6 or 0.5 diopter would decide to choose toric lenses to correct the astigmatism beside the myopia, nearsightedness, hypermetropia, farsightedness, and presbyopia, in the same approach to deliver the best visual function and visual quality to our patients.